Hey everyone, let's unbox something special today, the My Girl Dance Black Edition Dotted Bullet Journal by booknotebook.ph. So let's see what's inside in this beautiful black and white gift box. So first is the soft flannelette storage bag to keep your journal safe when you are on the go. And aside from that, I also ordered this stunning 80 pieces glittery gold uh, plants and flower stickers that I think will look absolutely perfect with this My Girl Dance Black dotted journal edition. So these stickers are waterproof and transparent, and it came in perfect sizes. Not too big, not too small, just perfect enough to add extra sparkle to your spread. Plus, the even threw in some additional freebie stickers to what I've ordered. And as you can see, it also came with a stencil for journaling that will take your creative spread to the next level. And now the beautiful glittery My Girl Dance Black Edition dotted bullet journal made of 180 GSM pages of bamboo paper with rose gold edge and different moons engraved to it. The silky yet sturdy faux leather cover protects your plans and ideas for years, with matching ribbon star bookmark to it. Actually, there's a white version of this journal if you prefer white. So aside from that, you also get three previous sticker, which I forgot to show you the other two stickers. And this is perfect to decorate your journal and personalize your space. There's also a handy pen holder, so you'll never lose your favorite pen. So if you are a bullet journal lover like me and you don't want to miss out on this My Girl Dance bullet journal, tap the link in my bio to get yours now. And happy journaling, everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.